This is another TYSK report bringing you the tech news that you missed. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. Agility Robotics showed off its latest advances of the Digit humanoid robot. At ProMat last month, Agility Robotics unveiled new capabilities for Digit that the company said expand the humanoid robot's utility for its growing user base. Working closely with customers, Agility Robotics designed features that it said will support rapid and scale deployment of Digit fleets, including expanded and more efficient battery power with a duration of up to 4 hours, autonomous docking onto charging stations, streamlined manufacturing of the bipedal multi-purpose mobile manipulation robot, and new robust limbs and end effectors, giving Digit a wide range of grasping angles and unlocking new use cases with expanded possibilities for manipulation. Digit can autonomously dispatch an AMR, autonomous mobile robot, to deliver items to locations such as pack-out stations. This reduces the need for constant human intervention, maximizing efficiency and allowing workers to focus on more complex tasks. Digit's enhanced user interface now features at a glance front and back displays that help monitor Wi-Fi status, connectivity, connection to Agility Arc, battery levels and maintenance ports, making it easier to monitor and manage the robot. The Agility Arc is a cloud-based platform that gives customers control of their automation for a wide range of logistics and manufacturing workflows. Agility claimed that it is the first humanoid fleet management system to successfully integrate and deploy humanoid robots in a commercial environment. As part of its latest features, Agility Arc allows customers to communicate with AMRs and their corresponding platforms. Other new Agility Arc features include Digit support, charger support, workcell EMS support, easy webhook integration, remote monitor support and maintenance of the Digit and all accessories, and continued and expanded enterprise systems integration. At ProMat, Digit demonstrated new use cases, including those integrated with AMRs, such as stacking and unstacking of totes, goods to person, G2P, AMR loading and unloading, palletizing and depalletizing, nesting, flow racking carts, and automated put wall. Alright, so this is a nice update from Agility Robotics, and in a previous video right here, I did talk about this company a while back and how over time it's going to get better and advance, and as we can see right now here today, that statement came true, and it's going to become even more true over time as the company gets more feedback from the commercial environments that the Digit is in, providing many different opportunities for this robot to be enhanced with more powerful features. Also, I think that Agility Arc cloud-based platform is going to be a powerful tool for many companies to utilize, and I think that's going to bring on more customers who are going to be interested in deploying these Digits within their logistics and manufacturing operations. Amazon's new AI agent is designed to do your shopping. Amazon recently launched a new AI model, Nova Act, which is designed to perform tasks like online shopping in your browser. For now, it's only available to developers in a research preview, but Amazon is also expanding access to other Nova AI models through a web portal, making them easier to find and use. Amazon says Act can carry out web searches, make purchases, or answer questions about what's on the screen, including the option to perform tasks on a schedule. It can also recognize more detailed instructions, such as telling it don't accept the insurance upsell while making a purchase. Even though this is only accessible to developers, Amazon says it's already being put to use carrying out some online tasks in the upgraded Alexa Plus assistant. Act is the first product to be released by Amazon's Artificial General Intelligence AGI Labs, which says its dream is for agents to perform wide-ranging, complex, multi-step tasks like organizing a wedding or handling complex IT tasks to increase business productivity. Alright, so it looks like Amazon has also hopped into the arena of these different tools that are going to be able to do different things on your behalf, such as OpenAI's Operator Agent, and many people have displayed how powerful this type of technology is and its ability to do different things, and even though it's right at its beginning stages, over time I'm curious to see if people or enterprises are going to be more interested in this Nova Act AI agent and what they're going to be using it for. So once it's going to be available to the public, all of us will be able to utilize it and determine if it's going to be useful or not. Adobe launched Premiere Pro's generative AI video extender. Adobe Adobe updated Premiere Pro with AI-powered features that aim to provide creatives with faster and better video editing results. Version 25.2 of Premiere Pro recently launched, bringing tools for locating, translating, and extending video footage out of beta and into general availability for every user. The most notable is Generative Extend, which feature allows users to extend clips by up to 2 seconds, providing more options for transitions or correcting unexpected movements without having to reshoot footage. Generative Extend can now generate clips in 4K quality and will extend ambient background audio up to 10 seconds for audio alone or 2 when paired with video extension, though this won't extend speech or music. In addition, Generative Extend is completely free to use for a limited time, but after which the feature will require users to spend Firefly generative credits. The latest version of Premiere Pro also includes the new AI-powered search panel that automatically recognizes the content of clips within your video library. This enables users to search for footage using text descriptions that include objects, locations, camera angles, and effects, such as looking for close-ups of hands working in a kitchen. Another feature, Premiere Color Management, automatically transforms log and raw files directly to SDR or HDR without lookup tables to make it easier to jump right into editing alongside a new wide gamut color pipeline. OpenAI's built-in image generator for ChatGPT is now available to free users. ChatGPT's built-in image generation feature is now available to everyone, allowing you to generate images from within ChatGPT and without having to switch to OpenAI's DALL-E generator. Sam Altman previously said that free users will get a limit of 3 images per day, but based on different experiences trying it out, some accounts are limited to just 1 a day. Those who find themselves able to generate more than 1 will still have to wait anywhere between a few minutes and a few hours. One of the tool's most popular uses was the creation of Ghibli-style images using real-life photos. Users were simply uploading their photos that they wanted to use and instructed ChatGPT in natural language to create a Ghibli-style version of it. In addition, Sam Altman said that the tool could still exhibit erratic behavior and could refuse some generations that should be allowed. OpenAI is still fixing the issue, and the company stated that it does still take action if a generated image violates company guidelines, though it didn't exactly detail about what those actions are. And to give us a little bit more insight into OpenAI's image generator, I was able to upload the TYSK report profile pic, and I'm going to put in a prompt and see what it puts out. Alright, so without giving ChatGPT this elaborate prompt, I put in create image of a superhero reporter flying to a technology news scene. Use the original image as much as possible. So let's see what it puts out. Alright everyone, so this was the output that ChatGPT gave me for the original prompt, and it looks amazing according to me. Not only was it able to use this original image right here, but it expanded it, gave it the superhero cape, kept the original hoodie on, did not add any facial features, and kept this nice little folder in the hand of the TYSK report man. So this is a really great image. I like it a lot. You may see it in future videos for the TYSK report channel. And yeah, shout out to ChatGPT for making this happen. Alright, so based on what you just saw from this OpenAI image generator, I think it's a very efficient and consistent tool. And based on that very small prompt that I gave it, it created a nice image that could be utilized for many different purposes. So for everyone out there, I think you all should be trying this out and testing it out, putting in an image of something that you will want to expand on, put in a nice little prompt. You can even put in a longer prompt and see what it gives you. Vine robot from MIT can squeeze through rubble to help emergency responders. Researchers at the MIT Lincoln Laboratory, in collaboration with the University of Notre Dame, have created a vine-like robot that can squeeze between rubble. The robot could ease emergency responders' burden following disastrous structural collapses. While legged robots are already working in disaster recovery situations to survey the tops of rubble, they can be damaged in tight, unstable locations. The joint research team created the Soft Pathfinding Robotic Observation Unit, or SPROUT. This new system can maneuver around obstacles through small spaces. The soft robot can inflate and deflate with air to wriggle its way under collapsed structures. The MIT Notre Dame researchers said emergency responders can remotely control it to explore, map, and find optimum ingress routes routes through debris. It is also designed to be low cost and easy to operate. Sprout is made up of an inflatable tube of airtight fabric. The tube unfurls from a fixed base with a motor that controls the deployment. At the tip of the tube, the team mounted a camera and other sensors, and as the tube inflates, it expands into rubble, squeezing through tight passages while its sensors image and map the environment. Currently, Sprout can be operated using joysticks and a screen that displays the robot's camera feed. It can deploy up to 10 feet, and the team is working on expanding it to 25 feet. In addition, sensing in constrained spaces is not a problem unique to disaster response communities. The team envisions the technology being used in the maintenance of military systems or critical infrastructure with difficult to access locations. The initial program focused on mapping void spaces, but future work aims to localize hazards and assesses the viability and safety of operations through rubble. It's always great to see people creating technology like this for individuals who are in disastrous and tragic situations. So I do hope that over time, more of these Sprout robots will be able to be created and be deployed all across the world during those moments where people need this type of technology the most. Microsoft launched new AI agents for factory automation. Microsoft recently introduced two new AI-powered agents aimed at bolstering industrial automation in the manufacturing industry. The Factory Safe Agent and Factory Operations Agent are now available through Microsoft's Copilot Studio and are designed to enhance operational efficiency, streamline data insights, and accelerate innovation through AI-driven generative design. The Factory Operations Agent was first introduced last year as part of Azure AI Foundry. By integrating operational and IT data, the agent is designed to help operators and production teams to optimize manufacturing processes, providing real-time insights via natural language queries. Now available in Copilot Studio, the latest iteration was launched to meet current challenges in worker skilling, providing no-code and low-code AI solutions for easier deployment. Microsoft's second AI-powered solution, the Factory Safe Agent, is a low-code customizable tool that provides workers with quick access to occupational health and safety guidelines. It also assists with safety inspections and workforce training, helping manufacturers maintain compliance and reduce workplace hazards. In this video right here, I recently talked about Microsoft's security agents, and now that they have these factory agents available for companies to use, over time we could see many companies using a suite of Microsoft agents taking on different tasks for different departments that a company has. Also, it goes to show that these big companies are going to continue to create AI agents for all type of different purposes. So instead of AI agent just being something that you hear all the time, we are definitely going to see more of these AI agents being deployed in different work environments, and soon it's going to be familiar to everyone as much as the tools that they use on a day-to-day basis. GenSpark's Super Agent ups the ante in the general AI agent race. Palo Alto-based startup GenSpark released what it calls Super Agent, a fast-moving autonomous system designed to handle real-world tasks across a wide range of domains, including some that raise eyebrows, like making phone calls to restaurants using a realistic synthetic voice. According to co-founder Eric Jing, Super Agent is built on 3 pillars: a concert of 9 different LLMs, more than 80 tools, and over 10 proprietary datasets, all working together in a coordinated flow. It moves well beyond traditional chatbots, handling complex workflows and returning fully executed outcomes. In a recent demo, GenSpark's agent planned a complete 5-day San Diego trip, calculated walking distances between attractions, mapped public transit options, and then used a voice calling agent to book restaurants, including handling food allergies and seating preferences. Super Agent clearly visualizes its thought process, tracing how it reasons through each step, which tools it invokes, and why. Watching that logic play out in real time makes the system feel less like a black box and more like a collaborative partner. This Super Agent is definitely going to take on the role of an assistant for many people due to its ability to plan and call on your behalf. And this is another example of an agent and its ability to do different things. And with it being so useful right now in its beginning stages, I can only imagine what it will be able to do 2 to 3 years from now. Vital Start Health expands access to VR-based pregnancy support tools on Pregnancy Plus. Vital Start Health is now offering direct access to its virtual reality programs and expert-backed resources for pregnancy support on Pregnancy Plus app, one of the world's leading pregnancy apps. Expecting parents can sign up to explore curated content, mental health tips, and immersive tools designed to foster a deeper sense of support and connection throughout the journey to parenthood. Those interested can sign up with their email from the Pregnancy Plus app to access Vital Start Health's personalized VR experiences and support materials. This move marks a meaningful step towards uniting emotional and physical well-being during pregnancy. So that's just some of the latest news in the world of technology. Before you go, do me a favor, like the video, subscribe, check out these two videos right here. Let me know what you think and stay tuned for the next video.